State Cabinet meeting takes 6 resolutions including decision to hold a 2-day assembly meeting on the last 2 working days of December. State Chief Conservator of Forests assures of all-out efforts to identify the unknown predator. 38 predator attack cases out of 140 as of November 26 investigated so far. COF and PD Minister Karam Sham urges students to value student life and not to involve in unnecessary activities. All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 badge warns of democratic agitations if the recruitment result is not declared at the earliest. And first Tangkul woman member of National Commission for Women Sozo Saiza urges women to be brave and speak up. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The BJP-led state government in its cabinet meeting today took 6 resolutions, including decision to hold a 2-day assembly meeting on the last 2 working days of this month. Impact News sources said that the resolutions include instating a police outpost at Howlanphai village in Indo-Myanmar border to provide financial assistance to VDF and Home Guard personnel in times of emergency while on duty, to open an ADC Directorate pension cell to provide pension to ADC employees. State Chief Conservator of Forest Anurag Bajpai has asserted that officials and experts at the Forest Department and Wildlife Institute of India are giving all-out efforts to discern and identify the unknown carnivorous predator on the loose, pervasively killing livestock across the state, causing widespread fear and chaos. Briefing media at Forest Department office in Sanjintong this afternoon, Bajpai asserted that it will take some time to successfully identify the creature. He maintained that as part of the undertaking, 24 cameras will be installed in and around the valley to capture the unknown creature on the loose, out of which 10 cameras were already installed. He also said altogether 38 cases were investigated out of the total of 140 domesticated livestock killed by the predator as of November 25.
Problem is resolved to a certain extent, and at least till the time when we come to a conclusion that it is means which animal or wild or domestic, whatever it is. Today, so far, it is 4 calls only. So the number is declining. It means at least some kind of control measures are becoming little effective. I don't say that it is 100% effective, but at least we are successful in achieving something because the number of calls are reducing. Regarding the Kangpokpi incident, veterinary report has come and veterinary report has mentioned that the death is due to snake bite. Kakching case also, that surgical cleaning of the abdominal part, the police has also started the investigation. And this Churachandpur, of course, it is a case of mischievous killing, and the Kakching also removal of horn of the cows, it is a mischievous act. And veterinary report also confirms that it is the death is due to the snake bite.
COF and PD Minister Karam Sham urged students to value student life and not to get themselves involved in unnecessary activities. He was speaking at the launch of Extra Premium Quiz 2018, jointly organized by Indian Oil and National Daily, The Hindu, at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Minister Karam Sham stressed that student life is the most crucial stage in one's life. He urged every student to value time and wholeheartedly pursue education, share their views with wise elders, and help in protecting the environment and the society. Speaking on the occasion, the minister lauded students of the state for their potential. He encouraged the students participating in the quiz competition to seize the platform and exhibit their talents. Deputy General Manager, Retail Sales of Indian Oil Corporation Imphal, State Level Coordinator Sinam Ibungoton, General Manager of the Hindu Kolkata Gautam Mitra, News Agent of the Hindu Group Pradeep Jain, and National Vice President of Bikash Parishad, Dr. Sinam Rajendra were present in the event. Gautam Bose was a quiz master of the quiz competition, participated by students of class 8 to 12.
Education ki knowledge se tana samaj ki sanhabi kaya environment sidagi afa wakalun se koi na tammagi tangai fadaba laiba matam sida hiram kaya da koi test tawninga pagi tanjane miyam na phatre na haiba pot khoding maduda koi na matau tambagi test tawbagi wakalun sidi akoi thadokadabane hojiki matamda lai sudi mayam ama hairaga laisu khangdre na hainari se karino gai se laisu gai se karino gai se koi khangadabane lairi haiba ngaktana yate knowledge sharing to horaga mapung phaba knowledge wakalon se lairagadi ayeng aigi knowledge to phajana lairakanadi madugi gyan mayam do sinarga koina tawning mathabak tawbu yae hiram khuding mak apha haiba wakalon se matam sidagi adi sagal lagodabane.
Class 12 students of Bhakti Vedanta Institute Mission Higher Secondary School in Ghari, Ankit Sharma and Anmol Kumar Gupta bagged the first prize of Extra Premium Quiz 2018 out of the 6 participating teams. The second prize was bagged by Class 12 students of Sainik School Imphal, Lunminthang Guite and Naurem Nivash, while the third position went to Class 11 student Naurem Priyokumar and Class 9 student Khwayangba KH of JNV Khumbong. The winners were felicitated with trophy, certificate and cash prize on the occasion. All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 batch has warned of democratic form of agitations if the recruitment result is not declared at the earliest. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, President of the batch Laimayum Nandakishore intimated that the High Court of Manipur directed the state government to declare recruitment results of the batch, but no actions have been taken till date. He expressed his contentment that the government remained indifferent to their demand for result declaration by December 3rd. Candidates of All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 batch and the guardians attended the press meet.
Hojik chahi taruk ka re henjalakle hasi phawba hetu bidaba targadi koi akhal makhagi democratic oiba khungjang changchelagani boda sarkar dagi responsible amata phangdrabanina koi makhal makhagi democratic oiba khungjang ayama changjelagani ji hills tagi su district khudimak tagi su akoi sem saba loire haina kuji si side tagi toksure.
First Tangkhul woman member of National Commission for Women, Sozo Saiza, has asserted that time calls for women to be brave. She appealed to all women to come forward and share their opinions. Speaking to media during a reception program jointly organized by Tangkhul Katamnao Long Imphal and Tangkhul Sinao Long Ukhrul in her honor at Hotel Classic Grande in Chingmairong today, Sozo Saiza said National Commission for Women is making all-out efforts to end domestic violence and to empower women, mentioning that various skill development programs are being conducted to facilitate women towards financial independence, and digital training literacy programs are being undertaken to curb cybercrimes. Sozo lamented that all the undertakings to uplift women's section will be hindered due to silence maintained by women against crimes meted out towards them.
I want the women of Manipur to speak out their problem. Please come forward. I am here for Manipur. I am in charge of the northeastern states plus Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. 11 states I am in charge of that. So first and foremost is we women should speak out our grievances. We must empower women. They should be in the decision making. If you are a silent sufferer, then nobody will know. We will never grow until and unless we speak out. So we are ready to help in any possible way.
Meanwhile, National Commission for Women is launching nationwide Digital Shakti campaign in the state to empower women digitally by tomorrow. Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Women, Dr. Mainam Binota, intimated the same in a press meet at her office today. She also stated that the 2-month-long campaign will be jointly organized by Cyber Peace Foundation and Facebook at Hotel Imphal. Governor Najma Heptullah will grace the launching event as the chief guest.
China ayamba digital sakti na pigadori se modern sangjal laiba nupi ki kanglup sida ayamba digital sakti se benefit pigani ana thajai masida awareness program piba khaktan nataba thokraba marabak thiraba nupi sing dugi upliftment program kharasu kari tawraga upliftment program lokhat pa yagadage haibagi koi review meeting da achauba priority amoina thamme.
Has submitted a memorandum to Agriculture Minister Vihan Khanlian today in relation to World Soil Day to be observed across the globe tomorrow on the theme Stop Soil Pollution. Briefing media at Akwam Lokanglai Park office, Secretary of the Association Santa Mangang intimated that the memorandum includes demand to make Rice Research Center at Wangban fully functional for enabling production of authentic seeds of indigenous black aromatic rice and aromatic rice variant Poiraiton, and to get geographical indication registration of areas producing aromatic rice in the state, so as to secure patent rights of the products.
Akhoi gi chau gi seed se original farmer da piho da bana maram oirakanda natraga puthoktabana certified seed leitabana maram oirakanda mapandagi thajalakwa chahau sina akhoi gi chahau jiga compete taw matamda akhoi gi value je moina phangdoreba yam sengna ganda sigina maram oirakanda Department of Agriculture na ministry sina akhoi gi state ke agriculture minister sina amadi akhoi gi policy making body oibiriba secretary sing principal secretary sing then honorable CM akhoi government gi leiba mechanism sing MOVCD gi nodal officer sing leiba mayam sina interest lobiriga akhoina pisanjariba memorandum si ubira matungda hairiba wangban da leiriba rice research center se fajana mapung pana thabak tawalaga akhoi gi chahau gi original maru si puthokpiraga farmer sing da pure genetically certified seed se yohan biu.
Manipur Police Training College, Pangai organized a debating competition under the aegis of National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, at the banquet hall of Manipur Rifles today. The debating competition, held exclusively for police personnel, was organized on the theme Respect for Human Rights is a precondition for peace and development of Manipur. Altogether, 19 police personnel participated in the competition, where SDPO Kakching P. Shankar, SDPO Jiribam T.H. Sanatomba and SI of Churachandpur Police Station, Liang Jango, bagged the first, second and third place respectively. Prescribed Outfit Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release informed the proposed 48-hour general strike, which was supposed to commence from the midnight of December 5, has been rescheduled, and that the general strike will start from the midnight of December 16 till the midnight of December 18. Unknown miscreants burned down the sacred shrine of Ima Taret at Phubala and Tinungai in Bishnupur district. Tinungai Lai Harauba Committee, Tinungai Gram Panchayat and Tinungai Jilla Parishad Club organization have strongly condemned the incident and demanded clarification at the earliest. A case was registered at Bishnupur Police Station and investigations are currently underway. A joint team of Bishnupur District Commando and 42nd Assam Rifles apprehended a suspected cadre of Prescribed Outfit KYKO. The arrested person is identified as Huirem Hemant Maitai, 26 years, son of Nipamacha from Laphupa Tera Makhalekai. Impact News sources reported that Huirem Hemant was arrested on the 1st of December from Kumbi Tingel at 2 p.m. 2 Chinese hand grenades along with 2 detonators were also seized from his possession. Now it is time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the second Kamjong Festival launched yesterday. Keep watching Impact News.
classic
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has launched the second Kamjong Festival at Kamjong Public Ground yesterday. Kamjong Development Committee has organized the festival to promote tourism on the theme A Plastic-Free Event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyamkumar assured to construct a guest house under the Forest Department to promote friendly environment for tourists in the area without further delay. He also assured of covering all the villages of Ukhrul district under the government's afforestation programs. The Forest Minister believed that the festival will bring positive changes in the area. Taking part in the event, MLA Phungyar Laishio Kaishing appealed the villagers to stop deforestation activities. He lamented that Kamjong was once home to the flocks of hornbill bird, the state bird of Nagaland, after which Nagaland Hornbill Festival is being organized. Laishio lauded Minister T.H. Shyamkumar as a minister with genuine concerns for the welfare of the hilly inhabitants.
Festival is a message. London is a festival, tourism festival, tourism memory. Tourism is a tourism Mahusa like many people protect beauty miams. Was protect or Ganda, Laiva, Singmayam, Amadi, Lamaki South Miamsi, Muntina, preserved or Nakanda, other tourism Nungi was of South Pacific.
Hojikti akhoirom da sigi hornbill habisi leitre mamingi festival tawle akhoirom da di masak su de festival tawnga su leitre sigi maram di jungle habisi leitre ba hornbill habisi u awang ba jungle achau ba da u gi makhundu da mahum saraga macha porga leibani u awang ba achau ba makhun hoba ya ba u lida ba u si amata phangdra ba gi hojikti hornbill se phangdra.
Aimol Ngairong village of Technopal district celebrated Lamjir Utkam Cultural Festival today. The traditional post-harvest festival of Aimol community was organized by Aimol Ngairong Village Authority on the theme My Culture, My Identity. Speaking in the event, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan expressed apprehension over suspected efforts of some sections to genocide the small community. He stressed the need to safeguard the indigenous art and culture of the community from threats of external forces. Traditional songs and dance performances by people of Aimol community coming from various districts and entertainment items performed by youth in the evening highlighted the event. Salai Holdings Private Limited has assured to provide financial assistance to one Thokjom Radhe from Moirang Thana Lekai to support her ailing husband and her grandson who is suffering from urinary tract problem. 68-year-old Radhe has been working hard to provide for her ailing 73-year-old husband Thokjom Chauba and 14-year-old grandson Rohit. Radhe has 5 daughters, but Rohit's mother got remarried when he was just 4 months old. Rohit's father also remarried, and Radhe has been nurturing him since then. Rohit suffered an incident when he was 7 years old and since then suffered from urinary tract problem. Salai has promised to provide medical and educational assistance for Rohit till 12th standard, in addition to building a house for the family and to facilitate the family in finding a source of livelihood. Speaking to media at Radhe's residence, Salai Director Mainam Somorjit stated that the initiative was undertaken as part of the company's vision to bring equal development in the state by 2020. He added that the local residents will be consulted in ensuring welfare of the family. Salai company has also assured to provide 5,000 rupees per month to the family until the family becomes financially independent.
Halloibasingsu masa solakpa amadi anaba mayam yauribasina marmarkanda moina thudokpa thabuk subonombagi pibam pangan lejadabana koigi mayamna yanadre haiba nisayonbagi lambi asi masi akoina khudakta ngasidagi hauna koina lebak miyamna yadabasi tobirnu haijabag loinana makoigi hingnaba lambi gi damakta koina anuba koigi senthok lambi makoina sinjargani rohitnasu harauna yabire masi yabirpigi damakta koina thagachari loinana makoigi ayabadu phangabnina koi athu matamda koina tawjige na khanjari
Rade also expressed gratitude to Salai for the assistance. She said that she started selling illegal liquor out of poverty to afford medicines for her husband and her grandson and to support the family. 4 members of Board of Director of Salai Company visited Rade's residence and extended an amount of 10,000 rupees for the first phase.
Isui bela koina awaba khudingma loina pudana laise ngasi bawda awaba kokte du isajing mayam laktana ngasi aigi kokta puramba awaba punamak singdo loin kokpagi damakta salai mayam se aina matam suppada ne bunsin sangba mayam gi seba mapung phana tawwa oyuko sajing loina.
Kai concluded its 10-day art meets fashion exhibition held at Ningthibi House in Nagamapal, Kangjabi, Lerak today. Speaking to media, CEO of Kai, NG Sylvia, maintained that the event was organized with an aim to promote budding artists of the state. She added that people were attracted by the works of 3 prominent artists whose collections were showcased in the exhibition.
Why we have gathered this for this collaboration is like nobody has like art ki haraga amana just paintings ngata adugumba ngata muk chakre art exhibition ko adi dresses kina just dress nata fashion show or anything like akhoi handicrafts ki so haraga pots have just one so we are trying to bring all together and make it as an event so that masa gi pamba mayam learn about fashion pame hare art or hare anything so that we can mix and do something out of it and create a something different new event so that people can know and like, and that's what we just want, something new, bring to society and let them know what exactly that's we.
Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti in a press release has expressed their grief on the sudden demise of Sahitya Academy awardee renowned writer Professor Ilangbam Dinamani. 54 Battalion Border Security Force under the aegis of Sectoral Headquarter BSF Koirengai conducted a free medical camp as part of BSF's Civic Action Program at Hope Baptist Children Home in Churachandpur today. CMO SG Dr. T. Gopeshwar, MO Churachandpur District Hospital Dr. Vung Hoi Ching and staff of 54 Battalion checked up children in the home and also provided free medicines during the camp. Sport kits were also distributed to the children. The medical camp was conducted under the supervision of 2nd Sea Officiating Commandant of 54 Battalion Border Security Force, MKT Simte. A political conference was held with an aim to woo voters for aspiring BJP candidate of Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha election, Chairman of Manipur Disaster Management Authority Adim Pamai today. Speaking in the conference held at Salungpham in Hairok, Adim Pamai appealed for public cooperation to ensure that BJP comes back to power at the centre once again. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State Cabinet meeting takes 6 resolutions including decision to hold a 2-day assembly meeting on the last 2 working days of December. State Chief Conservator of Forest assures of all-out efforts to identify the unknown predator. 38 predator attack cases out of 140 as of November has been investigated so far. COF and PD Minister Karam Sham urges students to value student life and not to involve in unnecessary activities. All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 batch warns of democratic agitations if the recruitment result is not declared at the earliest. And first Tangkhul woman member of National Commission for Women Sozo Saiza urges women to be brave and to speak up.